You don't need to worry about this. Too quick. It's already dead. So it's like, see, it's already dead. But if you're not sure, then you want to be safe, you can. Then you finish one, wait for it, usually. So, then you can do it. You cover both. But they usually pull the touch. So if they're really confused, just go to the center. Bam! Just hit the face. That's it. Don't worry about they hit you. You just see the face, just smash it. That's it. Because the quicker, the more you worry about all this little touch, they might hit you, but boom! Your full power to go to the face. That little touch is, will not be stronger than you. Okay, try. This okay? Yeah. You can wait. Still okay? Either way. So you want to be safe. So make sure you cover both hands. If you want, there's another guy come along. Then it's better finish it. So watch. That's how. Okay, try it. Paak Sau. Lift up the elbow. Step in. When you're inside hand, you can be either one. Some people hit the chest. Always, I remember the first two movement technique my Sifu taught me. The Sifu taught me Paak Sau, but always means lift up the elbow. Any question? Okay, this one, advance. Partner, first one, I saw some of you pull out the hand. Don't pull out the hand. Except you want to confuse him now. Pull out the hand, you trap this one. So, that's you hit the other side. But you direct this quick right away, make sure. And then slap, you pull out this hand, cover, hit, the double. The 施公 swivel. So you roll 1. If you're already outside easier, 1 is already outside. 2, yeah. So 1, 2. Okay?
See, what would rather when I was rolling from inside. When I do a Paak Sau, my elbow is not high enough to block.
Oh. If you're not high enough, no, hit faster. Oh. That's when Manchester do. Because leaving the elbow is quite awkward. That's another advanced level is don't just hit. Just hit quickly. So see, they don't have time to hit.
Okay,
so just bang down, fevers. Yeah. So bang like that. Of course it's gold. If you stay there, still hit back. So it should be advanced level. Okay? No. You can try both. So for you, you need to hit fast. It's a sensitivity. So when you pack, if I stay here, I finish. So when I feel the Paak Sau, you see my Paak Sau, I fall or catches. Do you understand it? So I just step back. Okay, too slowly. So, of course I step back because it's step. See? Can you see?